What if the key to achieving your goals wasn't just in doing, but in seeing? Visualization isn't just daydreaming. It's a science-backed strategy that helps you rehearse success, regulate emotion, and embody the identity you're building. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it to transform your habits, health, and mindset. Hey friends, welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Lester, and I help people build stronger, healthier lives, one habit at a time. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in wellness, visualization. It's not just about imagining success. It's about mentally rehearsing it so your brain and body start believing it's already happening. Visualization is the practice of creating vivid mental images of a desired outcome. When done right, it activates the same neural pathways as actually performing the action. Your brain doesn't fully distinguish between real and imagined experiences. That's why elite athletes visualize their routines. Therapists use it to reduce anxiety, and wellness experts use it to reinforce habits. It's not magic, it's mental training. Here's what's happening under the hood. Visualization activates your motor cortex. Your brain starts prepping for action. It triggers dopamine, the motivation molecule that drives goal-directed behavior. It lowers cortisol, helping you regulate stress and anxiety. And it strengthens habit loops by reinforcing the cue routine reward cycle. In short, visualization helps you feel the reward before you earn it, and that makes you more likely to follow through. Let's make this real. Here are 5 ways you can use visualization in your wellness journey. Fitness motivation. Before your workout, visualize walking into the gym with confidence, feeling strong, and finishing with pride. You're not just hoping, you're preparing. Nutrition habits. Before your next meal, picture yourself choosing nourishing foods, eating slowly, and feeling energized afterward. You're creating a positive emotional loop. Sleep and recovery. Struggling with sleep? Visualize lying in bed with a relaxed body, breathing deeply, and waking up refreshed. This calms your nervous system and improves sleep onset. Emotional resilience. Facing a tough situation. Visualize yourself responding with clarity and grace. You're rewiring your stress response and building emotional flexibility. Identity and self-concept. Visualization isn't just about actions, it's about identity. Picture yourself as someone who prioritizes health, lives with intention, and feels proud of who you're becoming. You don't need hours. Just 2 to 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Here's how to do it. 1. Choose a goal or behavior. 2. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. 3. Create a vivid mental image, include sights, sounds, and emotions. 4. Feel the outcome. Let it sink in. 5. Repeat consistently. Want to make it stick? Stack it with an existing habit. After brushing your teeth, visualize your day. Before bed, visualize restful sleep. Before a workout, visualize your performance. Here are a few tools to help you build your visualization habit. Guided audio scripts, apps like Calm or Insight Timer. Vision boards, digital or physical. Future self-journaling. Mood-based playlists to evoke emotion. Mental rehearsal scripts for specific goals. Visualization helps you rehearse success, regulate emotion, and embody the identity you're stepping into. So the next time you set a goal, don't just plan it. See it, feel it, live it. Your brain is listening, your body is responding, and your future self is already grateful. If this video resonated with you, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who may also enjoy it. Until next time, make better choices and get healthy.